How to create a DIY home automation system. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. Today, we're going to show you how to create a DIY home automation system using Arduino. This system will allow you to control your lights, thermostat, and security cameras remotely using your smartphone. Number 1, Hardware requirements. Before we start building, let's take a look at the hardware requirements. You'll need an Arduino board, a Wi-Fi module, a relay module, and some sensors. Number 2, Setting up the Arduino board. Now, let's set up the Arduino board. First, we need to install the Arduino IDE on our computer. Next, we need to connect the Wi-Fi module to the Arduino board. Number 3, Building the automation system. Now, let's build the automation system. We'll start by connecting the relay module to the Arduino board. Next, we'll connect the sensors to the Arduino board. Number 4, Programming the Arduino board. Now, let's program the Arduino board. We'll use the Arduino IDE to write the code. Once we've written the code, we can upload it to the Arduino board. Number 5, Testing the system. Now, let's test the system. We'll use our smartphone to control the lights, thermostat and security cameras. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.